I want to demonstrate for you some basic techniques in drafting quality lines. When I say quality, lines should be crisp. They should be of the appropriate darkness or weight or thickness. And your finish line should have very definite start and end points. So how to do that? First of all is in how you hold your pencil. It should rest on your middle finger, and your thumb should be loose and available to slightly twist your pencil. That will keep a really pointed tip to your lead as you draw. You want to use your whole arm, not just your hand, because your wrist has a natural arc to it. So you want to draft with your entire arm. And you always want to, we'll start with horizontal lines, and you want to pull your pencil. So again, I'm using my whole arm from the shoulder, and as I pull, I'm going to give my pencil just a slight twist. I don't have to spin it 12 times across the line, but just a little bit, and again, that keeps you right on a crisp, sharp point. So I'll put my parallel bar where I need it to be, and I'm going to start just drawing some lines. Now, one thing you'll notice, if anybody sews, this is the same philosophy. If you're sewing and you want to start and end a seam, you always back up and go over that end point just a little bit. So I'll make it a little more dramatic here. But to start my line, I actually go the opposite direction just a little bit, and then I go to the end of my line and then come back just a little bit. And what that does, it allows the line to have definite endpoints and not feather. If I did not do that, then I might get a feather and it's unclear where the line actually starts or stops. So just to demonstrate a few, and maybe you can see in the video, I'm not sure if that little slight twist to the pencil. I'm resting my pinky finger on the parallel bar, and as I move the parallel bar, I actually pick it up, if your table has that ability, rather than just sliding it. That prevents smudging on my drawing. So if you'll get in the habit of picking up that parallel bar ever so slightly. So I encourage you to practice your own, just a whole bunch of lines, and work on getting really crisp, smooth lines. You will not want to go over a line multiple times, and I'll show you, because you'll probably be able to see that thickness, and it's going to cut down on the quality of your line. So just work on really smooth, consistent lines. You want it the same darkness or the same weight all the way across. And then when I'm bored or feeling comfortable, I'll switch to some vertical lines. Now to draw a vertical, use a triangle, and you can use either your 30-60 or a 45, just so that they're resting flat on your parallel bar, T-square. So I'll use this one. I think you can see it better. So I hold my parallel bar T-square with my thumb and my triangle with my 4 fingers, and I'm actually going to reach over the triangle so that my hand can rest on the triangle and not be smudging the drawing. Again, I pull my pencil rather than push. So you'll see, it may look a little or feel a little awkward to begin with, but I am pulling my pencil rather than pushing it. And I'm reaching across. Still got that slight twirl. And you also want to be sure that your pencil is remaining perpendicular to your straight edge, meaning not angled in this way, or if it's with your parallel bar, you don't want to angle in, but you want it, again, square or perpendicular with your drawing. So of course that helps keep your line perfectly straight. Otherwise you'll get a little bit of a weave to your line. So again, I encourage you to practice your both vertical and horizontal lines. So again, I'm able to adjust the exact location of my triangle with my fingers, and I'm always making sure that it is held square to the parallel bar.